What's up, Lion? This is Daniel from Josh and Annie SEO. So we're going to take a look at your website, see what's going on, and see if we can help. So I love the logo you got over there, Omegapro Painters. Excellent. You got your home, about us, with drop-down menus for everything you have. I'm very happy for you. The only thing I am disappointed in is this is not a click to call button. You always want it to be click to call, so it immediately just, calls you. Um, Going through, you got some nice pictures here. Painting has never been this easy. Same day services available. Top rated by Google. That's fine. Professional Houston painters. Excellent. By the way, this is a good keyword you want, so you're definitely on the right track for those. Our team at Omega Pro Painting, great. So you're talking about different things. This is exactly what you want. You want to talk about what it is you're offering. But more importantly, I do like this. We offer free estimates, same day appointments, over 15 years experience, customer satisfaction guarantees. You're, I guess, maybe family owned. Um, Making your home improvements easy and affordable. So you're doing a good job, and I like that. And you have links to other pages, so excellent. Here's the thing, you're going to want to talk about each of those individual things. I like the fact that you have pictures, quality painting made easy. This is great. So no, overall, I'm very impressed. I will say you're missing content. Like, you definitely want to talk about each of your services individually. Um, some pictures are good. Otherwise, you're doing really well with it. Not going to say anything against that. You have a nice setup. Let's take a look at the back end and see what's going on. So here we go. So what we got over here is a tool I use called Ahrefs. So it lets me take a peek behind the curtain, see if there's anything we can improve. So right off the bat, a UR rating is how strong your website link is, and a DR rating is how much Google likes you. Now, or trusts you, shall I say. Now, all of this works with backlinks. Now, a backlink is where you have a website, your website link, somewhere else where somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it returns to you. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Some are more spammy than others, like BuzzFeed and Wikipedia. Definitely want to be careful of those, and you want to look more towards like strong websites that actually complement what it is you do. Now, the UR and DR rating you definitely want in your 30s and 40s, and you want them to be a ratio of 1 to 1. So each of them being 30. But last but not least, when it comes to ranking, we're looking at keywords. Now, a keyword is is what somebody would put into Google to find you. And you're ranking for 271, so you have 271 possible combinations for somebody to click on your website for you to rank for that. So what are they? So you're ranking for different things like Houston wallpaper removal, which is excellent because you want that, because not only is it location specific, it's also job specific. You are ranking for, if somebody searches for something in Houston and they're looking for a wallpaper removal. So it's location specific and service specific, which is what you want. Those are buyer intent keywords. It means that somebody in the area is looking for it. 60 people a month are searching for that, and you're getting 10 of those people every month because you're in position 3. So excellent job. Wallpaper removal, Houston, 60 people again. You're getting 6 because 5 people, because you're in position number 5. Touch-up painters near me is a different problem, because this is what we call a international keyword where anyone can search for it. So you don't know where these people are. They can be in Arizona for all you know. So you definitely don't want to use that. Houston cabinet painting, you want to use 80 people a month. You're getting 1. You're on page 2 essentially. So anything on page 2 or more. There's a joke where we can hide dead bodies on page 2 simply because no one looks on page 2. So it's definitely something you want to keep an eye out. So you want to rank for the stuff that are location and service specific, and you definitely don't want them to be like this. Fence painters near me. But let's take a look at what happens when I put in something called Painters Houston, right? It's a very typical keyword somebody might put in, someone like me. But this is actually, because it's location and service specific, it's how we also create Google ads, as you can see. So let's take a look. And, well, we're not going to click on any of those guys. But over here also, by the way, we have our GMB, Google My Business profile. Very important to get in here. About 30-40% of all businesses or people searching for a business to do what they need will click on one of these 3 websites here. So you got a 10% chance, or 33.3% chance. But then you have your organic search. Now, as long as you have a website and you know what you're doing, you can rank here as well. The lion's share will go to people in number 1, 2, and 3 spots. So you got Yelp and Angie as 1 and 2, and then you have We Paint Houston as number 3. John McDonald's painting. So they have a click to call over here. Just like you, they have drop-down menus, so they're doing well with that. They have pictures, and they have a lot of content. Not only that, but they have a lot of keywords. Professional painter in Houston, John McDonald painting. No one cares about that. But you have interior and exterior painting services in Houston, so they're ranking for a lot of the good stuff. They have interior painting with a link that goes to the other page. You have exterior painting with another link. You got power washing. with another link, metal roof painting. So they're talking about everything. Now here's the thing. They have all of these services. I would have talked about each and every single one, given a paragraph to each one, and picture to each one as well, just so everyone can see. Now it looks like they do have more of a uh, a blog idea like Q&A. So nothing wrong with that. You just want to make sure you're not going to rank for international keywords. But let's take a look behind the scenes, see why they're doing so well and why they're in the top spot. So they have a UR rating of 15, a DR of 1.8. They have 887 backlinks with 104 referring domains. Now, they're ranking pretty high, so they must be doing something right. But let's take a look at those keywords. What are they ranking for? And what are the rankings? So we're going to look at that and find out what we can learn from them. So right off the bat, let's just look at the top over here. I'm not even going to scroll any further. All of these have Houston in it, and all of them are specific service. So all of these are what we call buyer intent keywords, and there's got to be at least 3,500 volume a month just for these keywords alone. And he's bringing in over 30 for each one. I don't know what that is. 60, that's 100, that's 200 right there, that's 300. 350 people a month are searching for his services with just these keywords. And he's got a lot more. All of these looking like buyer intentional keywords. But also, you got to remember, what is the position he's in? He's on page number 1. He's right in front of you. Now, if he were to do a little bit more on the backlink side and focus a little bit more, he would not only double his traffic, but he would secure the top spots. So how does this really help you out? All you got to do is, yes, you have the keywords, but you got to make sure you got the right keywords in there. So content is key. So you can get the content in there with the right keywords, but then you got to look at backlinks and referring domains. You need those in order to rank higher. So how do you get the good ones? Go over to, John McDonald's painting. You already know what the good ones are. Find out the ones he's using. Use the same ones. Then get another 30 on top of that. You should be good to go. Anyway, that's all I got. If you do have any questions for me, Elaine, let me know. Other than that, you have a good one. Bye.